Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1999 Dodge Viper RT10. This example has just over 47,000 miles, has a clean title, clean CarFax, runs and drives excellent. It was just serviced at Viper Exchange in Texas. All new fluids, new batteries, tires in good shape, beautiful condition inside and out. Door cards are nice, seats are great, headliners are great, dash is great. All the gauges and everything work properly. Hot heat, cold AC, shifts beautifully. Shockingly easy to drive, I would like to add. Just beautiful all around. At such a great price. So there you have it, our 1999 Dodge Viper RT10.